going on, people? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another episode of flipping cheap cars for big profits. In today's video, guys, I am going to be talking about how you guys can start buying and selling cars. I know I did a video on the Peugeot 107, the yellow one, but I've actually been waiting on some parts to turn up so I can actually get that car through an MOT. So I've really not been doing any content because technically I can't do content on content I don't have. So what I've decided to do, seeing as I've got so many cars just sitting around, I've actually decided to start making content on every single car I have, how to start buying and selling cars, and actually documenting every single car that I have. And you know, so the ups, the downs and the lows of you know, every single car I got, because every car is going to be different. You know, this one I'm sitting in is a Nissan Pixel 2012. It's a category N. It's got front end damage. And you know, it might turn out when we take this bumper off that we got some radiator problems. In fact, the car doesn't leak, it drives absolutely fine, and the coolant level is up, so I know I'm not going to have any radiator problems. It does have AC in this, but the AC is not working, so we could have had a broken condenser. Every car is going to be different, guys. So rather than just making one series, one episode on one vehicle, how to start buying and selling cars, seeing as I do flipping cars for a living, I guess, I'm gonna be having a lot of vehicles in my possession, and sometimes I'm gonna occur different situations that, you know, I've never occurred, and it's how I'm gonna deal with them situations that might help other people. So I've decided how to start flipping cars is what I'm gonna be doing. And it's going to be fun because actually, you know, I sort of deal with categorized vehicles. Well, not all the cars I have are categorized, but I tend to go for categorized vehicles because they are cheaper, not all the time, but some vehicles you get from BCA and other places always have some kind of, well, most of the time always have some kind of mechanical issues, and that's probably the reason why they're actually in auction. So going for cars that actually crash damage, you know, allows me to have a bit of you know, guarantees that there's nothing really wrong mechanically, and it's only in the auction because of the damage that the car's actually got. So you know, without boring you guys too much, we're sitting in a Nissan Pixel 2012. Let me get out of the car and show you exactly what we got going on here, and I'll sort of talk about the plans I have for this car and what I sort of think I can get for this vehicle once it's all done. So let's get out of the car. Oh, let me show you the sun shining right on it, but we got just rounded off to 56,000. Well, it is 56,000 really, and most importantly, not only is it 56,000, it actually comes with 2 keys and a full service history, guys. Interior on this car is absolutely clean. I mean, it does need a clean, but it's not as wrecked as most of the other cars that I've had in the past, or still do actually have. So yeah, let me get out of the car, show you what we got going on. Right, guys, this is what we got going on here. Nissan Pixel 2012, and as you can see, we got some front end damage. The rest of the vehicle, sorry about the wind, let me just try and get that blocked. The rest of the vehicle, guys, as you can see, is in actually really good condition. We got good wheels, not curved. That wheel's not curved, good tire on it as well. This one here is not curved, slightly curved there, but paintwork, I mean, paintwork's really good on this thing. Bumpers, you don't have no markings on the side of the bumper. Good polish is going to make a big difference. I mean, look at the back, how clean it is. We do have a little scuff here, nothing a little touch-up pen or touch-up won't sort out, and then polish again. And over this side here, another wheel, very good condition. Paint is in absolutely stunning condition as well. And obviously this wheel here, again, relatively, well, it's pretty much immaculate. A little mark at the bottom, but other than that, it's all good. Full service history as mentioned. So front bumper, we do have the other bumper I had for the other Nissan Pixel that I got, the black one. I still have that there, so I'm going to have a look which one is going to be easier to repair. And if this one's easier to repair, I reckon once I take it off the heat gun, I think it's going to pop back into place, because these bumpers are really flexible. I mean, you can see that they are so flexible, so I think it's going to be easy to repair that there. The Nissan badge on it is pretty much in good condition as well, so paint on it is not even that bad as well, but I will get it painted obviously, but the paint is not that bad on it. So crash bar, we do have a crash bar. The only thing bent on it is actually just the crash bar behind it, and I do have another one for that. So 2012 Nissan Pixar. Tell me what you guys think of this car. How much do you think I can get for it? And in the next few videos that I have come in, I will sort of talk about what I paid for the vehicle, how much it owes me, well, including picking it up and all that kind of stuff. Interior, let's get inside there. Interior, you know, we've got a really good interior, absolutely stunning interior. And like I showed you, the mileage 56 on the clock. So have a look at this. We've got another key here. Spoiler alert, Ford. Not done a video on this one yet, so lots more content coming for you guys, so stay tuned. I've got a few cars that I've not even sort of spoke about. Right guys, so tell me what you think in the comments. I mean, I think I got a really good one here. The cosmetic side of things on this vehicle is absolutely perfect in my opinion. A few little touch-ups we got to do, of course, expected for a car that's 2012, and being a car that's 2012 as well, I think it's in really good condition for that as well. When you're buying and selling cars, guys, I mean, you don't want to be spending money on anything you don't need to. So what do I need to put on this car? What do I need to change? Go write everything down. I think the only thing that's needed on this car is to assess what we got damage wise in the front. So we definitely need to get that bumper off. Once the bumper is taken off on that car, we can assess what damage is behind. It is the N-Tech version as well, so N-Techs on the front bumper do have fog lights on either side. It does have AC. The AC is not working. Could it be a broken condenser? So we got a lot of things to sort of write down in our notebook and sort of, you know, analyze what needs doing and what is prioritized to get fixed. How much am I going to get for the car? Those are all things that you want to be writing down, very important things. So you write the cost of the vehicle, you write what you think you can sell it for, and then you start writing down all the damage, and then you start ticking things that, you know, needs to be ticked. So if it's a broken condenser, are you going to fix the air? Like if it needs another condenser, are you going to replace it? How much is a condenser? Do you replace that? Or, you know, can you sell it without one and say, you know, needs a new condenser? And that's the reason why you're selling it cheap. This is a categorized vehicle, and I won't be getting, you know, you're going to sort of knock off about £500, you know, £300 to £500 for compared to other vehicles that are not categorized. This does have a full service history as well. It does have 2 keys. It is in really good condition as well. So we've got a few pluses going for this car as is, but I mean, air conditioning is not working, so fingers crossed the condenser is not damaged and maybe just needs to be regassed. If it needs regassing, is number 1 priority. I will obviously regas it. The front end on this car, the damage on it, I think let's get the front bumper taken off. Let's assess what damage is on the vehicle in the front. And we did get a crash bar with this car as well, so we do have a crash bar in the boot that came with it, so we actually got a touch on that one. Other than that, the paint on it is really good. I think once the car is polished really well, I think we're going to have a real stunning little car here. And the retail for this, I think, is around, you know, £3 grand, £3.5. I'm not too sure. I think for 2012 and with this much mileage, people are retailing them for about £3.5. So maybe once it's all done, you know, maybe I'll put mine up for around £3 grand, 299 or something like that. I'm not sure. We'll see as we go. We'll see how we get on in the next video when we take the front bumper off and see what damage we really have. I'll run through the numbers of what this car owes me. I will run through the numbers of what I think I need to sort of put in it to get the car up to a retail ready standard car, and we'll sort of do the work as we go. Hopefully in the next video we get this car ready to sort of be painted or, you know, sold. We don't know, but how to start buying and selling cars. We're going to be doing car content on every single cars. If you're into that kind of content, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And see you with the next one. Thank you for all the people that have been supporting the channel, by the way. I've got loads of subscribers that are new subscribers that have come to the channel, and loads of people that have continued to support the channel for years. And so many people give me thumbs up and, you know, comment and stuff like that. You people are amazing. Thank you very much. And like I said, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It's going to help the channel grow, and the more the channel grows, I reckon the more fun things I can do as well. But until then, content's going to be coming, so stay tuned and see you people in the next one. Bye bye.